Hey, you guys, so I made my show you guys how I look inside. Got my sauce on deck, and I'm gonna show you guys how I look. Wow. Hold up. Mm-hmm. Look at that, you guys. Now this my first time making this. Um, Chorizo burrito, breakfast burrito. But I guarantee it's probably gonna be good because I made it. So if you want to see how I make this uh chorizo burrito, breakfast burrito, just keep watching this video. Wow, look at that, you guys. Got egg, potatoes, that um, the tree zone meat. Where is the pork? Okay, so oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. So anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, thumb this video up and subscribe as well. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Wow, so there you guys go. You guys get the first bite. Good, perfect bite. Yes. And I'm going to take my bite and I'm going to take the fork out to show you guys. And then, like I said, if you keep watching this video, you'll see what type of flour tortilla I made my burrito. Okay? Okay, that's how it look. Wow, so that looks so good, you guys. I guarantee. Yes. And you can always, you can eat this, you can take this to work, you can wrap it up in foil, you can have this for breakfast, brunch, lunch. I don't think for dinner. You can if you want to. You could just put more stuff in it. Maybe ground beef mixed with the chorizo. Yep. Wow. So, okay. I'll put this down. Because there's my other half in here. And look. All right. I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys what I'm drinking on. And coffee on deck. Usually when I eat breakfast, I always drink this, and then I drink my coffee. But I've been drinking my coffee when I was making this. But that's the name of it. It's the orange mango sparkler. All right. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, I should have tasted it before I put the sauce on top of it. But yeah, you guys can have a first bite with the sauce. There you go. Take my bite. Mmm. That's good, you guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, let me get out of here. And I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Hope you guys make this. Keep watching this video if you want to see how I make it. All right, bye-bye. Good. This is how much onion I'm gonna use. Now let's put this back. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to dice up my pepper. I already diced up my onions. Okay, I diced up my pepper. Okay, you guys, so now I chopped up everything to go into my chorizo burrito. And it's so simple to get this. I think it's just only 1, 2, 3, 4. Really just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. Yes, yes, yes. And this is like, you know, just saute, you know, your eggs and then like you said, whatever kind of cheese you're using and whatever flour tortillas that you like to use. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. My pork chorizo burrito. What they call, some people call, Mexico call it papa chorizo burrito, and it's spelled P-A-P-A-S, papa. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started doing my potato. Okay, so now I put a little oil and butter to do my potatoes, okay? Okay, I added my potatoes, diced potato. Then I'm going to add my season. Add a little salt, not too much. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And black pepper. And let this to get real salty. And I'm going to add some of the onion. I love onion, you guys. Can't go wrong with that. Again, add some of my peppers. Okay, I just add one of the garlic. Add 1 garlic. Okay, now I'm going to squeeze my chorizo. See how I'm doing it? That's how you do it. And then you can just kind of fry it. And you will tell. Okay, I'll be right back, you guys. So what I did, I just put a lid on top of it so that all that stuff won't be splattered everywhere. when it's get done because you get a little brown here. See that? I'm gonna cook my egg. Try to pour my eggs in. Okay, you guys, now it is finished. This is my Chorizo breakfast burrito. And then, like I said, I want to add this, but sometimes let's get add this. Just squeeze just a little, not too much. Just to get that little, what you call it? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out the pan. See? Wow, then I'm just gonna put it in my bowl till I get ready to make my burrito. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to put my tree, I think it's called it, well, tree rezone burrito. And if you want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video. Okay, so now I'm going to prepare it. Got my flour tortilla and my cheese. And most Mexican people, they use that Chorizo, Fricos, I guess that's what they call it. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put a spoonful of my mix, and I will have enough for tomorrow as well. See how I'm doing it? Let's see. Then I'm gonna put my cheese on top. Okay, got my cheese on top. And sometimes, you know, I start to just mix the cheese with the meat mixture, but I said, oh well, I'm not gonna do all that, okay? Cause it's gonna melt anyway, because I'm gonna brown this flour tortilla, okay? Okay, so now I'm just to fold it up. Okay, and I fold it up. And some people use the larger flour tortilla, but I'm not gonna use the large. I want to use the medium. Trying to watch my weight. Okay, so you guys, I missed to brown my burrito, and I see the little butter. I just kind of spread it, you know, all over the burrito. The butter. And you guys, don't forget your sauce for your burritos. Okay, you see, I just flipped it over. That's how you want it. Yeah, I'm sorry, you burn it on each side. Okay, so now brown on each side. Turn down my fire because it's a little hot. Yep, that's how you want it. I'll burn the other side, and that's it. I'm gonna wrap it up in foil, and I'll show you guys how it look inside.